Join ForumIAS Academy, trusted by hundreds of toppers, including IAS Rank 1 Anudeep Durishetty, Shruti Sharma, and Ishita Kishore.
Hello everyone, welcome to ForumIAS short series on public administration. So in this short series, we are going to cover some important concepts, obviously, which is going to be important for understanding the discipline of public administration. Right, since this is a short series, so obviously we are not going to go into nitty-gritty or very detailed information, but my idea is that we will understand some important aspects of given theme, right? Also, the topics which I am going to take, they may come in your exam in form of mains question, and obviously we know that answer writing is going to be one of important side when it comes to studying the public administration. Okay, so the topic which I am going to take, the name of topic is the basis of government. The basis of government. Right? Now this small topic, it can also come in form of question. Right? ये question के form में भी you can get in your mains exam. Right? And obviously if this is coming in form of question, देखने में बहुत आसान है, but when you will start doing answer writing, it may not be very easy. Right? So before understanding the basis of government, what we need to understand is what is government. Right? What is government? So ये तो हो गया what? Understanding part. Now come to answer writing part. In answer writing part, obviously you need to write introduction, then body, and then what you need to do, you need to conclude your answer. And obviously this intro part is going to cover your government or about government. So what you can do, you can either take definitional approach and define the government, or a very famous approach in social science is you can introduce by any thinker. Right? See, a government is often an institution or a group of people who govern. Right? What is government? Government is an institution or group of people who governs a particular territory. Right? Who governs a particular territory. Let us say this is a particular territory. The same is known by the term, what is that term? State. Okay? And in this state, people of various class, caste, color, language, race, they are living. Right? Now what will happen? For the purpose of governing, let us say 2 or 3 people will form a small organization. By the way, by the way, this is how from tribal culture we got government. How we got that, obviously we are going to see in the foundation class. Now this small part is what is called government. right? And what they will do, what government will do, it will administer this small territory, this state, and this same thing is known as what? Public administration. This same thing is known as public administration. Right? So public administration is the basis of government. Now in modern times, we often see that usually government, when we say government, we means three aspects. The first one is obviously executive. Number two is judiciary, and number three is what? Legislature. Obviously, this idea is a modern idea. Right? But remember that government, in terms of public administration, it can exist without legislature, it can exist without judiciary, but it cannot exist without the executive. Cannot exist without the executive. Right? That is why it is said that public administration is as old as society, as old as civilization. For example, take the case of Harappan civilization. Take the case of Harappan civilization. We don't have much record about judiciary. We don't have much record about legislature when it comes to Harappan civilization. But if you see the kind of planning, the kind of infrastructure they developed, it is said that it was not possible without any well-developed executive. There is one thinker, very famous name, Paul Appleby. He says that without administration, government would be a discussion club, if indeed it could exist at all. Obviously, UPSCs have habit of asking question about the quotation of thinker, right? That is why public administration per se, right? Public administration per se have been an instrument or the basis of government, right? And this basis you will find one common point, that either it is monarchy, either it is democracy, or it is dictatorship. One common thing you will see in all is presence of public administration in any type of government. That is why, right? That is where the concept of neutrality comes. That is why administration must be neutral. Right? And one proof for this is administrative theory. You will find that thinkers such as Taylor, Herbert Simon, they are applicable in socialist countries, communist countries, capitalist countries. They are applicable everywhere. That is how the neutrality principle originates. Right? See, thread is interconnecting with another thread. So concept is interlinked with another concept, right? So this was a very small discussion on the basis of government, okay? And in answer writing, after intro, conclusion, This is what you need to write in the conclusion. Okay? Thank you for watching this lecture. Good luck.